Hello guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. It's Timileya Odele here. In today's video, I would just like to share the opportunities that are available for students that are also mechanical design engineers. If you've been following me on LinkedIn for a while now, you will know that I've been a mechanical design engineer for close to 3 years. Yeah, 3 years.
We are born great.
I became very serious with it in 2020. So far, so good. I found out that actually being a design engineer in Nigeria is not easy. Yeah, that's just the truth. It's not easy. You have to position yourself strategically and network to get opportunities. So these are the things that have worked for me, and I think they should work for you in a way too. The first one, which is like the most popular thing, we all know, that is freelancing. So you can freelance on Upwork or freelance on Fiverr. I found out that Fiverr worked for me more, and I have some colleagues that Upwork has been working for him. So just choose whichever freelancing platform that works for you. It could be Fiverr, it could be Upwork, it could be people per hour. Just try, and whichever one works for you. But for me, Fiverr works for me. So Upwork may work for you. Just freelancing is the first one that has worked for me. Okay, so this is another interesting one, and it is working on student project. Basically, this video is for students. If you're not a student, you can watch it too. As a student, a lot of students work on so many projects, mechanical projects, electrical projects, that will require them actually working on a 3D model or on a prototype. So what I've done is that I walk up to people I know might be working on projects that will require fabrication. Like, by discipline, I'm a materials engineer, and currently some of my colleagues are working on their final year projects, and it requires fabrication. Do you understand? So a lot of people are working on some specialized ovens and a lot of that. So they need someone to do the 3D modeling for them. So that's where you come in. That's where I come in. So I walk up to them and I tell them that, oh, this is what I can do. A lot of them know actually. So you just have to tell them again that, okay, this is what I can do, and I can help you with your project. So basically, you get paid for helping them work on the 3D models of their project. The pay is not that, obviously you're working for students, so the pay will not be like working for a startup or for a unicorn. So yeah, but the experience you get from working on these projects, and the beauty in working on this project is also that you get to put them on your CV and on your resume. So you build your portfolio through this. And the part where it gets interesting is that they actually fabricate these stuffs. They actually build this stuff. So it's not like you're just working on a design and it just ends with the design. You can work on the design, then on the side you will get the final product that you can later on put in your CV that, okay, I designed this model and this is the final product, this is the problem it solved, and all that. Because really, this is what recruiters are looking for. So they actually need your project to solve a problem, not you just working on some random project and just designing and putting it on your portfolio. So you get to design and also put the final thing on your portfolio. So this is one thing that you should also consider. The next one is working on startups, and it will actually go into my last point, which is internships. So working with startups, like startups in what sense? There are some engineering startups that they have this bright idea of a wonderful product. It's not actually easy to get in contact with these startups. That's why you have to put yourself out there. Like, the way I put myself out there is through my LinkedIn profile. I'm sure that's how some of you know me, through my LinkedIn profile. So You just have to put yourself out there so that these startups can see you, see what you have to offer, and actually bring you on board. Now, the reason why I'm saying you should work with startups is that you actually need these startups to build your portfolio. You need these startups to build your experience. Now, this experience is what you will now take to companies that you want to apply for, companies that you want to work with. I know a lot of people want to work with Apple, as a product engineer and all that. So this experience you gain from these startups is what you put on your CV as your experience that will later give you your dream job. So yeah, I think right now, if you're a student, you should prioritize experience more than pay right now. And the last one is internships. So apply for internships a lot. Like, look for internships. Now, the beautiful thing about internships is it does not have to be on site. So you can work on remote internships, and that's basically what it is. So I get to put that on my CV, and basically that's what internships is all about. It's just an avenue for you to gain experience. That's all I have. If there are other opportunities you think are available for a design engineer that is a student that I did not mention in this video, you can just drop it in the comment section below. Once again, my name is Timileyin Awodele. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.